Okay, this is our room.
Ayan, nice.
Happy birthday!
Yay.
Okay, so this is our view. I booked it last August 13. Hindi pala. Yes! Mamaya na guys, gusto ko na maligo! Hey guys, so for our first night, basically our first day here, we are just going to roam around the night market of Sapa. And I love the city lights. Sobrang ganda ng city lights. Ito na naman. So, nung Singapore, naghahanap kami ng tsinelas ni Kuya. Ngayon naman, sa Vietnam, naghahanap kami ng damit niya. Tignan niyo ang damit. Bruh. Sobrang ganda ng city light. I am so in love with this place. Chin ako guys. Ito? Ay, oo. Pong cafe. Dami-daming gustong puntahan, pero naghahanap muna kami ng damit niya na mura. Oh my gosh! You're so cute! Hi! Hi! Yay guys! Nakabili na siya. Here. Very still price. So good ng quality. Okay, now I think we're ready to buy something na makakain namin. Alam nyo ba guys, kanina, pagkatapos ng flight namin kasi, so lumapag kami sa Vietnam ng mga past 7. So basically 8 o'clock sa Pilipinas. Tapos, nag-antay kami sa, hi! Nag-antay kami sa nag-antay kami ng pagkatagal dun sa sleeper bus namin. Tapos yung sleeper bus, diretso nga kami Sapa, diba? May 2 stops siya. Bango, grabe. Bango, kuya. Ayun, okay. Ilang oras tayo nag-sleeper bus? 4 na kami nakarating sa Sapa. So, parang basically, nag-travel kami na nag-travel. Tapos naligo lang ng mabilis. Tapos yun na, dito lang. Kuya, wanna try? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Kuha ka. Sarap? Isa lang kuya.
One lang.
Oh, it's good. Good. Okay. Oh, no. But it's good. Thank you. Sarap.
Hopya.
Hopya. Pero sticky. Excuse me. Bao niyo?
700 1 kilo.
Oh.
Per kilo? How about per piece? No, per piece.
One only? Okay. He bought one. Come on. Sobrang sarap. Ang sarap! Ang sarap! Come on. Guys, sabi sa akin ni Kuya Rico, napugian ka lang kasi tagal namin dito. Sabi ko, hindi ko na rin alam kung ano bibilin ko kasi wala akong mapili dun sa sa menu nila. Eh, nung una, in-approach ko kasi parang may nakita ko 80,000 lang. Tapos parang masarap. Late ko nung nakita ang mukha niya. Parang yung ano, yung nasa ano kuya. Oo.
May tsura.
Tapos kanina, may nalaglagan ng helmet. Sabi ni Kuya Nico, gwapo siya. Sabi ko, alam ko, kaya ko nga tinulungan eh. Pero tutulungan ko naman din. Kung ano, mabait. Oh. Halang cute! Punta tayo.
Explorer. Tank.
Gagi! Yan, mag-video ka pa ha. Tignan natin. Hey! Ang ganda kuya. Ang ganda dun. Ito? Ay, kinukutsara lang. This is Kuya's order. This is their best seller. Coconut coffee. Malinaw mo siya. Ito, matapang ko. Kunyari lang yan, may video kasi kaya hindi na napaitan. This is Bali. This is my first bite without hot sauce. Unang kagat, cucumber lahat. Sarap talaga ng hot sauce nila dito. This is my first banh mi.
What can you say?
Good. Bilang ko si Papa.
Bilang sa bahay. Ako lang din naman ang mukha.
Cilantro ousted.
How much? 10. Ano tayo?
Yay! Okay guys. This is where we are eating next. Sobrang sarap nito, ang asin. Nawala yung stick. Ilipat mo nga yung stick. Istickin mo nga. Ilagay mo dun sa ano. Kami gagawa. Ilagay mo ah.
Ano?
Ay sige, wag na. Ganyan na lang. Papa-massage pa yan sila. Dapat matutulog na lang to eh. Okay, so since we're here in Sapa, magpapa-full body massage na rin kami. Okay, bye guys. Meet you!
Muntik pa pong hindi makaalis ng Vietnam.
Apo. So yung kit na nasa front desk ay kumatok sa amin at anong oras na? 7 a.m. Di binuksan ko, tapos sabi niya, "Excuse me, you forgot your passport in the front desk." First rice meal and my undying love for eggs. Guys, I recommend this place so much. The staff are so nice. And yes, iniwan na namin yung gamit namin dun. According to the teller, we should go to the Vietnamese Cafe first before Fancy Panther. Guys, nalulungkot ako. Yung mukha nung kuyang crush na teller. Tanging nasa memory ko na lang siya. Baka makalimutan ko. Charot. Sabi ko, nalulungkot ako. Yung mukha nung crush kong teller na lalaki.
Hindi mo na
Nasa utak ko na lang. Hindi ko na yun maaalala next time. Chinito, maliit ang ilong. Cute. Medyo may jaw. Maliit lang. We are navigating the Viet Trekking Cafe, which apparently is behind the Sun Plaza. Yan. Pagod ako din.
So just before editing this part of the video, I've read somewhere that going on a trip with your brother, well in this case my uncle, is like going on a date with a guy who is completely not interested. Ito yun guys. Okay, so time for the Fancy Pan tour. I booked this via the Klook app and we went solo, meaning we do not have a tour guide, which is also nice since our time is flexible and we're not actually obliged to be with other people. Pero we still follow the line so we won't get lost. Okay, so yeah, I planned the entire itinerary and God, it was so stressful. Pero later on, you'll see how Fancy Pan pays off all of the work. So this is actually the main thing that we went to and for in Sapa.
Guys, sasakay na kami sa LRT, Station 2.
And,
Nalate na sa
Bambang
trabaho
Station.
eh.
Bambang Station.
Iba yung ano eh, na bagsak.
Hindi ko pwede doon.
Sa harap tayo? Sanay sa MRT, kailangan ng hawak-hawak. Next. Saan na tayo, boss? V-Mapa Station. Paparating na sa V-Mapa Station.
Bambang Station. Alam ko Bambang.
Pritil.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Và đón chào quý vị khách bằng sự mến khách dưới một bản làng thơm thơm mùi khói bếp, chênh vênh dưới chân núi Fancy Pan.
Oh my gosh, nakita na namin yung masarap kagabi. O, pitas. Ganda dito guys, like makikita mo talaga yung northwest ba yun na traditions nila. The heritage, the experience. Ayun na yung cable car oh. Papunta dun. Yung sa mga sabihin mo. Nag-rate daw si Usok na. This view sounds like
What happened, Belle?
one piece sapa sausage. Guys, so nag-break kami and itong stone grilled Sapa sausage, sobrang sarap. Must try it if you go here.
Ano pa siya doon?
Kumuha ko ng vlog doon. Hindi ko alam kung nasan si Kuya. Pwede pa kumuha ng vlog. Hindi ko alam. Kumuha lang ako. Kuya!
Kaya nga. Kaya. Kaya.
Ha?
Kaya.
Kumuha ako!
Oo, tayo mo?
Oo!
Oo.
Gagi, pwede! Guys, so it started raining. Yay! Full self-experience.
Ayun na siya.
Oh my God! Grabe guys, I'm freezing. Like, my hands are ice cold. But it's so good. Bigbe. Long way to go. Kasi from the peak, pababa kami ngayon sa baba. Talagang baba. Okay, bye-bye guys. Okay, go! Sabihin, sino yung dalawang ano? Siguro sigaw! Nakukuha kaya tayo?
Ayun, camera ready.
Camera yun!
Ayun na.
Camera, galingan mo. Galingan mo yung camera. Yan. Hey!
Grabe.
Puro ganun yung video. Ah? Hala, ano kaya itsura natin dito, kuya?
Taas.
Ano ba, kapangit ako dito? Hindi ko bibilin yan. Okay, so orders, passion fruit juice, and chicken fried rice is a basic dish. Hey guys, so it's still raining here in Sapa. And apparently, kailangan namin magstay again for another night.
Okay, so here's the story time. After Alpine Coaster, I already told Kuya to book a sleeper bus back to Hanoi. But then, wala na daw tumatanggap na sleeper bus ng same day booking. So, trinay namin sleeper van. Wala talaga, as in trinay namin all sorts of transportation. Eh, yung hotel namin, ang check-out is that same day. Ngayon na, parang ganon. So, what we did is we booked another hotel, that same hotel, just for the night. And we booked the earliest biyahe for tomorrow ng sleeper van. So, ayun. Then, I was so stressed out. Ginagawa namin yun sa hotel. And then, yung clip na
Story
you
time
just
later.
saw was
Pero
us
nagpalit lang ako ng
after booking everything and fixing
And
all sorts of results.
ganito. You know what guys, Sapa is really glowing at night. Parang siyang it's floating in light. Sobrang ganda, tingnan niyo. Can you see that? Like, it's glowing. Oh, it's raining. Tatawid na ako. Tatawid ng tanga. Finally, we're going to Le Petit Gecko Restaurant, Cafe, and Bakery. Excuse me. Which is more recommended? Egg coffee or coconut coffee hot?
Coconut coffee. Egg coffee. So coffee.
Okay, we'll have one egg coffee and coconut coffee ice.
Yeah. You egg coffee. You are hot or cold?
Which is better? Which is bestseller?
It's
Ice or
it's
Hot.
egg coffee. You are with milk or no milk?
sorry?
You egg coffee. You with milk no milk?
With milk? Wow, that's so pretty. Thank you. So this is the viral, the hype up egg coffee. We're gonna try it. Sobrang beautiful ng design niya sa taas. First, the egg. Putang ina, egg talaga. Pero feeling ko magme-make sense pag minutes. Feeling ko. Guys, oh my god, I think I'm super in love with Sapa. Oh, grabe yung nightlife dito. Ang ganda. Naghanap si Kuya ng pharmacy right now. Welcome to Burnham Park! Tarot. Ang ganda guys. Sobrang ganda talaga ng Sapa. So in love. In love count. 3,000. Yay!
Masarap din.
You say slow down. I don't like to move too fast. It drowns the truth with things that are not real, and I really want us to be real with love.
First hour in Hanoi. To check. Hindi ko nalala ang atsara. Yes. Hindi tayo mali. Guys, naghahanap kami ng bangko at naranasan ko na yung sinasabi ni Hana na ang bibilis ng mga sasakyan. Te, tanga-tangang tumawid. Nasa Juan Kim Lake na kami. Sabi ko, dito ako mag-jog. Medyo malayo-layo siya sa hotel, pero okay lang. It's raining again because it's me again. Passion fruits. Ate, sobrang tamis. Hindi ko maubos, hindi ko man lang makalahat. So right now, we are looking for the ate na nagtitinda at nagtatagalog. Bilis ko yung maglakad. Ate, okay na.
40, but enter for you 70.
Yes.
150. I
How
leave
much?
one wallet, 150.
Okay.
I leave for you one wallet.
Yes.
You can do that.
Thank you. Guys, na-excite ako. Feeling ko natatanaw ko na yung train street after long minutes of walking. Hindi ko alam ba't ako na-excite masyado.
Hello. Food range coming soon.
Part 2, Hanoi Edition, drama again! Nagsisigawan na po sila. Nag-pause lang. May tinatawagan siya ngayon. Grabe sila, sumisigaw sila.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and
Guys,
back. What's my purpose?
So
What do
we're
I
going
grab?
to
A slippery
vlog
surface, a heart attack.
here in
And
Hawaii.
sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need.
So, malapit na ako dun sa bridge. I love working out or jogging in another country. And you should too. There's this different and beautiful feeling of unfamiliarity, but at the same time, you know you're not lost. Kasi basically, you're not from there naman. Sobrang ganda ng Vietnam ngayong araw. Kanina, sobrang lamig. So, alam ko umulan. So, thank God, hindi umuulan. And the lake is beautiful. Hindi ko na alam kung nasan ako, pero okay lang yun. Lasang isang eskinita na ako napunta. Yun ang explorer. Xin chào, Maz. Last day in Vietnam, and today I'm just gonna walk around the city. Kasi si Kuya ay somewhere eating good food. Sabi ko kasi mauna na siya lumabas because I'm curling my hair. Finally, I'm in Phuket. I really wanna go here. I don't know if Ian likes this better or this one. Ayan, so I'm gonna meet Kuya here in Lotte Mart. Lotte Mart! Guys, try ako. Okay, this is the matcha. I tried the coconut one, it's good. Grabe, natitempo ko dito, please. Patingin. Blue. Sige guys, paano kaya namin pagka-shine to lahat? So first is my pinaglalabang adobo. Ha? Sarap. Namina ako. Sarap po yan. Na-underwhelm siya. Hindi siya natuwa. Ang sarap. Ang light. Ang tamis. Oh, sarap. Maharap daw. I also ordered mustasa and tofu. Sorry. And then beef curry. Tapos si Kuya nag-order ng kanin niya na pineapple. Yes, niyak ako. Sarap talaga. Guys, ang dami kong binili tapos na-short ako. Tapos wala na akong card. Buti na lang hindi niya tinuloy ang pag-uwi. Diyos ko po. Yung pangarap kong mag-cafe, wag na lang. Okay guys, one hour has passed after the last time we were here. Inayos na namin lahat and everything. But then I forgot to buy magnets, ref magnets. So I'm running to whatever store, magnet store or boutique, which is gonna buy some magnets. And then we're gonna go to the airport. It is nearing 9 p.m. Our flight is 2 a.m. later. But then we have to be there like 4 hours before our flight. Even though we had online, we checked in online. I bought 90,000 Vietnamese dong worth of magnets. Actually, 60,000 lang yon, and nagkamali siya, sabi niya sa akin 90,000, so I paid 90,000. I had to get 2 more. I thought it was free at first. Pero yun pala, binayaran ko din. Ayun. That's okay. Bye-bye, Hanoi! Gonna miss Vietnam and the chaotic streets of Hanoi. 10 out of 10. Nasisepangs na kasi kami ko. Totoo yung sabi nila, parang kapag aalis ka na ng Vietnam, sobrang lungkot. Suddenly, the streets are so sad. I don't wanna go. Grabe, ang ganda nito. Lalo na yung kahapon. Ano kayang nangyari kahapon?
Nói chung với vô lịch chấp nhận đón xa.
Abangan.
Nhận với chủ nhận xa thì nhận xa giờ.
Huwag na lang magsalita.
Wag na lang mag-talk.
Load na lang.
What happens in Vietnam stays in Vietnam, and makikwento kay Ayen.